it's your girl Candace Lene, and I am back with another video. If you are new to this channel, please go hit that subscribe button. If you are returning, thank you and welcome back. So guys, in this video, I just wanted to show y'all and see for yourself, so y'all can see for yourself that what this HD lace is hitting for. So this is my very first time actually using HD lace, and so we're gonna see. I'm gonna let you guys see and watch how I install this. And if you guys are happy that you can see right in front of me, I got this case that is on my mirror, so it's a little bit better for you guys to see exactly what I'm doing. So this will be a much better shot than what you guys are used to. So hopefully this looks better, but without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get into the video. One thing I won't be disclosing is the vendor that I got the HD lace from, just because this is the lace that I use for, this is my personal vendor, so I don't want everyone to know who I'm using and what I'm doing. So for that purpose, I won't be having that information down in the description box. I'm sorry, but it's business, okay? So like I said, without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get straight into the video. So guys, starting off, you already know I'm going in with my good old edge booster. This one is probably my favorite. It smells so good. I forget what it's, I think it's like it's a something melon, a sweet melon, I think is what it is. That's my favorite one. But just going in and laying down my edges so it doesn't get caught by anybody's glue. I don't need my edges getting ripped out, even though I do it to myself sometimes, but we ain't talking about that. So yeah, next I'm going in with this cap. I probably should have used a cap that was lighter than this, because you could see it through my my wig, but it's whatever, it still look good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add the little makeup to it to make it blend a little better. And then I am going ahead and cutting off the tabs to give me a more natural look. And then this is me trying on, and during the try on process, you guys can see exactly where I was having trouble with my cap showing. So I tried to push it back a little bit just so it wasn't on my forehead, but more so closer to my hairline. And it looked decent to me right there, so I just left it as is. Going in with the alcohol, making sure my glue is gonna be able to stick. This is the Ghost Bond glue. This is the premium one, platinum, I'm sorry, it's the platinum one. And then I'm just smoothing it with my popsicle stick. I think I use too much glue because this literally takes forever to dry, but that's neither here nor there. My wig is on and it's good, so yeah. I put 2 coats of this. And then that's about as dry as I could get it. So I'm gonna go ahead and smack that baby on. Okay, and the rest is pretty much self-explanatory. You guys can see exactly what I'm doing, so I'm not going to talk you through the rest. But yeah, you guys can watch and see. I'll see you guys at the end of the video. this is the final look. I wish the light was a little bit more in so you guys could see. Like, it's looking really, really good. I'm loving it. I didn't know what I wanted to do with my baby hair, and I really need to restyle it, but this looks good, y'all. This looks really, really good, and I am geeked up about it, okay? Like, next, I'm definitely getting a frontal. This was me trying it out, but now that I know, it's really, really thin, it's really popping, and it's perfect. Like, it is so perfect. Like, wow. Is this me? Is this mine? No, but I just wanted to bring you guys along with me so y'all could see. If you haven't seen an HD lace before and never dealt with one, I just wanted y'all to see my reaction and how I felt about it. I need to change my part. That's a little too far over. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I never promote myself on my page. If you guys are interested in a wig with HD lace, they will be on my site. I'm probably gonna try to make like 2 to 3 wigs a day to post online. So yeah, y'all, this is also the hair that I will have, that I'm using. Things went wrong when I was trying to style it, so I'm gonna have to try again. But I am loving this, y'all. I'm loving it. It is so perfect. But I ain't gonna hold y'all any longer. Y'all already know the drill. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Be sure to ring my bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Tell your mama, your daddy, your cousin them to come join the squad so we can get the party lit over here. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.